Do you ever feel guilty for just wanting to relax? Maybe you've had a stressful day, maybe you're just feeling tired, but there's a sink full of dishes, there's laundry that needs to be done, or there's grocery shopping that needs to be done, and you feel this need to get it done, otherwise you're going to feel that sensation of guilt. Well, that's a pattern that I often talk about with my clients who are recovering from narcissistic abuse. And that makes complete sense. You were in a relationship where you were trying to constantly appease someone, and rest probably wasn't an option for you. You were chronically on the go, physically, emotionally, and mentally. So now that you're out of it, rest feels really foreign. You don't know how to rest. And giving yourself permission to do so causes you to feel guilty, like you're doing something wrong. Does that sound familiar? Was that a pattern in your old relationship? When you were choosing to rest, you were probably penalized for that. And that's something that we can work towards to unlearn. Your body needs rest, your mind needs rest, and your soul needs rest. You need time for you, and it's okay to give yourself permission to do so. I want you to remember that feeling of guilt is normal if you're doing something wrong. Let's say you're hurting someone or hurting an object. Yes, you should feel guilty for that. But now, if you don't do the dishes in the sink or you don't get to laundry today, ask yourself, am I doing something wrong that is causing harm to someone else? And if the answer is no, then that's false guilt. You're allowed to give yourself permission to rest, even if it feels foreign at first. Your body is trying to tell you something. So take the rest. It's okay to give yourself that permission.